Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into something that's both fascinating and a little unsettling. A recent study that's turning heads in the medical world. Imagine a machine originally designed to tackle cholesterol, but now, researchers are discovering it might be doing something way more profound, cleaning up harmful chemicals and plastics from our bodies. Sounds like sci-fi, right? But this is real, and it's happening right now in Dresden, Germany. Let's break it down. First, let's talk about the hook here. What if I told you that the same machine used to filter cholesterol from your blood might also be removing toxic chemicals like PFAS, and even microplastics? Personally, I think this is a game changer. It's not just about lowering cholesterol anymore, it's about potentially detoxifying our bodies in ways we never imagined. But here's the kicker, this wasn't even the original goal. Researchers at Technische Universität Dresden were just curious, what else is getting filtered out? And what they found is mind-blowing. Now, let's zoom in on PFAS, these so-called forever chemicals. What many people don't realize is that PFAS are everywhere, in our water, food, and even our blood. They stick around in our bodies for years, and higher income doesn't protect you, in fact, it might expose you more. Why? Think about it, expensive seafood, PFAS-treated fabrics, these are luxuries that come with a hidden cost. From my perspective, this flips the script on environmental justice. It's not just low-income communities at risk, it's everyone, and that's a sobering thought. But here's where it gets even more interesting. The study suggests that PFAS and microplastics might be hitching a ride on lipoproteins, the same stuff the cholesterol machine targets. If you take a step back and think about it, this could mean that by removing lipoproteins, we are inadvertently cleaning out these toxins too. The data backs this up. Patients showed significant reductions in PFAS levels after treatment. One thing that immediately stands out is how accidental this discovery feels. It's like stumbling upon a hidden door in a familiar room. Now, let's talk plastics. We ingest thousands of plastic particles every year, and they are showing up in places they shouldn't, like our blood, placenta, and even our brains. What this really suggests is that our bodies are becoming landfills, and we are just starting to realize the scale of the problem. The Dresden team found that their machine reduced plastic particles in some patients, though the results weren't consistent. A detail I find fascinating is their honesty about the limitations. They are not claiming a miracle cure, they are saying, here's what we found, and here's what we don't know yet. That kind of transparency is rare in science, and it's refreshing. What makes this really interesting is the bigger picture. If we can remove these toxins, does it actually improve health? The study hints at it. Human adrenal cells exposed to plastics showed less damage after treatment. But here's the deeper question, are we just treating symptoms, or can we actually reverse the damage? In my opinion, this is where the real challenge lies. Cleaning up our bodies is one thing, cleaning up our environment is another. As one researcher put it, cleaning up afterwards is the harder and more expensive way to solve the problem. So, where does this leave us? Personally, I think this study is a wake-up call. It's not just about medical innovation, it's about rethinking our relationship with the chemicals and plastics we've unleashed into the world. What many people don't realize is that this isn't just a health issue, it's a societal one. We are all in this together, and solutions need to come from every level, from policy to personal choices. Before we wrap up, let me leave you with this. What if this machine isn't just a tool for treating cholesterol, but a prototype for a future where we can actively detoxify our bodies? It's a bold idea, but it's not impossible. What do you think? Is this the beginning of a new era in medicine, or just a fascinating detour? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more deep dives like this. See you next time.